I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Mapescreed. I would like to talk about 75mm screed. When talking about a 75mm screed, the substrate needs to be identified. Do you have concrete, bonded, a membrane, unbonded, or floating onto thermal or acoustic insulation? At this depth, lots of products are suitable. However, thin smoothing compounds and some screeds with long drying times at this depth may not be suitable. The ability to lay 75mm screed will be dependent on what type of substrate it is. If we take the discussed substrates one by one and identify suitable products for 75mm screed. Starting with bonded, Gypsol or Gyvlon flowing screed, Keracem Eco, fast drying screed, Topcem, fast drying screed, Retinal Extreme, fast drying screed, Mapescreed 704, fast drying screed, traditional sand and cement screeds. If we look at unbonded, you've got Gypsol or Gyvlon flowing screed, Top Flow Screed C Belitex flowing screed, Keracem Eco, Topcem, Retinal Extreme, Mapescreed 704, all fast drying screeds, traditional screed, and if we look at floating, we've got Gypsol and Gyvlon, Top Flow Screed C Belitex, they're flowing screeds, Keracem Eco, Topcem, Retinal Extreme, Mapescreed 704, all fast drying screeds, and you've got the traditional sand and cement screed. I hope this helps with your 75mm screed choices. The listed screed products above are not exclusive, and if you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you.